Every real story has a cause behind it, and every drama has BTS. A political scenario has its own BTS, behind the scene. And every BTS has one or more characters who are playing vital role in artistry. A story writer has a theme behind it before he writes a novel or a serial. This theme may be an subject of plan knitted by writer or the investor who employs the writer. The basic tool is to develop a mindset among the public. It may be called brainwashing, or to develop a consensus among masses for a purpose which may be good or bad. Apparently, subcontinent was divided under the Independence Act, 1947. This provision of law was passed by the British Parliament to divide the subcontinent into two countries, Pakistan and India. But that law was implemented by Uncle Dickie, whose real name was Louis Mountbattan, who belonged to British royal family. He was great-uncle of Prince Charles. How to implement this statute took its roots from one basic formula, and that was, divide and rule. Initially, after fall of Mughal Empire, Muslims had developed animosity with English Empire. But later on, British knew the real resistance they could face would be staged by Hindus, the majority. The reason behind it was deep desire of Hindu political agenda to rule united India, not divided India. They wanted a united subcontinent where both Hindus and Muslims could live together peacefully. Though it was not possible fully, as British bureaucracy with the help of locals had raised religious hatredness among the Hindus and Muslims. But Second World War had weakened the British Empire. Secondly, Soviet Union, USSR, and imminent revolution in China was a threat to Western Europe and American imperialism.